Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to download Messenger voice message. For this, you need to have a PC, a laptop, or a Mac, because on mobile device there is no way to do this. Well, the first step is to go to Google, then we will go to Messenger. Here I have this audio which I want to download. If I click here, there is no option to download it. So what we will do is right click on an empty space in the chat, inspect, and here you should look for network. In case you don't see it, you should already have it here. Okay, click on network, and now play the audio you want to download. And the audio should appear here. Just double click on it, and it should download as shown here. If you found this guide useful, leave me a like, a subscription, and a comment. Thanks for watching.